everyone, welcome to KK's Art Studio, and today we're drawing Toad from Super Mario. It's going to be a super easy and fun drawing, so come join me. Right, let's get started with Toad from Mario, Super Mario. And I'm using a marker, but you guys can use a pencil and whatever is easier for you guys.
Okay.
But let's get started. So in the middle of the paper, we're going to come down. I'm going to leave space on each side, but I'm going to make a curved line for the top of his head. So I just made a curved line. It's not a big curve, but it's just a curve. We left some space on the side and we came down on the paper because the hat's gonna go on top. Let's continue. We're gonna do his head, and his head is a circle. So we're gonna come in from the curved line a little bit, meaning we're not gonna start here, we're gonna start somewhere here. And same thing here, we're not starting at the end, we're gonna come in just a little bit. I'm just gonna make a big circle connecting the 2 points that I just drew for myself. So there we have the outline of his head, and I turned my paper as I went just because it made it easier for me. But we could continue with the details of his face. So inside we're gonna draw a big smiley face because Toad is always happy, and we're gonna draw his eyes. So first thing we could do is draw his smiley face. So at the bottom, halfway down, we're gonna leave space on each side and we're gonna make a curve for a big smiley face. He's always happy, right? So we're gonna make his mouth open and wide because he's just a joyful person. And we're gonna make a big scoop or a big smile or a big curve connecting to each point. There we have a big, beautiful smile for Toad. And then in the inside, we could draw his tongue. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make a big curve like a mountain or a hill. And I'm gonna start it from the bottom of his mouth and connect it to the other side of the bottom of his mouth. There we have his tongue. Super simple.
Yes.
And then right above his mouth, we're gonna draw his eyes. So I'm gonna make a big oval and I'm gonna start it right at the tip of his mouth. So I'm gonna make an oval that comes up and long, leaving space at the top as well. So there we have one eye, and we're gonna copy that same design on the right side. So there we have his eyes. The inside, we could draw his pupils or his eyeballs. This is the outside of his eyes. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna make a curve like a smiley face, and I'm gonna start on this side and connect it to the other side. So I'm gonna come here, make a curve like a smiley face. So there we have it. There we have Toad's face. We're almost there, guys. All we have is his body, his arms, his legs, and his big hat. And we're leaving the hat for last because it's the funnest part. If you guys are having fun so far, please like and subscribe. Let's continue with his body. So right on the side of his head, we're gonna make a big circle just like we did for his body. So I stopped at the same height, and then if it makes it easy, you guys could have just done the full circle, or we could just draw one small curve connecting these 2 points. So I'm just gonna come here, and I'm gonna make a curve to connect the 2 points. There we have his body, super simple. From here, we could draw his arms. So his arms are outside, right? So what we're gonna do is right next to where his body is, we're gonna come over just a little bit, meaning right there. That's really just a little bit. And then we're gonna make a curve that goes out and comes out just a little wider. So we're gonna start off really skinny or really close to the body, and we're gonna come out more, and we're gonna come down, and I'm gonna stop almost halfway of his body. So we stopped half from his body. And what we're gonna do for his hands, we're gonna draw a curve that looks like the backwards letter C. So from here, I'm gonna make something that looks like a backwards C, or just a curved line. And then from here, we could go up and then come back down and curve to his body. There we have one arm and one hand. And then we could copy the same design on the left side. So there we have his face, his arms, his body, and we have his clothes, his hat, and his shoes. So let's continue with his shoes. So what we could do for his shoes, we're just gonna leave some space in the middle. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make a tiny vertical line just like this, super tiny. And then I'm gonna leave space, and I'm gonna come over a good amount of space in the middle. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna make something that looks like an oval. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna come around and connect it to his body. So I'm just gonna make something that looks like an oval. I'm drawing an oval and I'm just gonna connect it to his body. And there we have one foot, super easy. And we're gonna do the same thing on the left side. There we have his feet. Look at that, guys. We're almost there. So let's continue with his clothes and his body. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna leave some space here. I'm gonna come over and right under his mouth, I'm gonna make a little curved line. And what I mean by little, it's not a big curve, but it just curves a little bit and we're curving towards his body. So we curved this way and we came in just a little bit. And I'm gonna copy that same design on the left side. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna leave some space here and make it almost the same size. So if I came here, I'll probably start, now I'm just gonna make the same curve. I also stopped at the same distance or the same length. And then from here, I'm gonna make one horizontal line that goes to his body. So from this point, we're gonna make a horizontal line that goes to his body. And we're gonna do the same design on the left side. And then we could draw the details inside of his vest, where we're gonna make this same curve. We're just not gonna go all the way down. So I'm gonna make a curve and I'm gonna stop right here, leaving some space from the bottom of the horizontal line. And from here, instead of a horizontal line, we're just gonna make one curved line, like a really small hill that connects his body. And we could do the same thing on the left side. So we're gonna copy this curved line. And instead of the horizontal line, we're doing a curved line that goes to the body. And there we have his vest, super easy. And then we're gonna do his pants, right? So all we have to do is we're gonna leave a little space in his body, and right almost halfway through his vest, we're just gonna make a curve like a hill to connect this side of the vest to this side of the vest. That's it. Now we have his vest, his pants, and the best part for last is his hat, his mushroom hat. So what we're gonna do is, I'm gonna come down from his head just a little bit, somewhere here. We came down here, and I'll come down the same distance on this side. And then these 2 points that I made, or if you guys remember, just come down. We're gonna make a curve that goes around like a big rainbow that curves back in. So we could curve like the letter U on each side. We're gonna do 2 U's. And then from these 2 U's, all we have to do is make a big rainbow connecting each point. So I'm gonna come over, make a big rainbow connecting to this side, and I'm gonna turn my paper as I go because it just helps me. And there we have it. There we have his mushroom hat. Guys, all we have left is the details of his hat. So hopefully you guys are having fun and finding it easy. Please like and subscribe to the channel. And let's just do the little details. So for the details, right in the middle, right on top of his head, we're just gonna draw a really big circle. And we're gonna leave a little bit of space at the top and a little bit of space at the bottom. So I'm just gonna draw a big circle. So there's my circle. Obviously, guys, I'm not perfect, and even if your circles are not perfect, that's okay, because drawing is supposed to be fun. And the last details that we have is we're gonna do 2 half circles, because we're gonna pretend that on the sides, the circles are full. So on this side, I'm gonna make a curve like a half circle, and I'm just gonna come here, make a curve as if I was gonna make a circle, but what's stopping me is his hat. And I'm gonna make the same design on the left side. All right, guys, and there's Toad. We're done. Look how cute he came out. But all we have to do is color him in now. So grab whatever crayons, whatever markers, whatever color pencils you have, and let's get to coloring. All right, guys, and there we have Toad. He looks super cute and super happy, and hopefully you guys found the video easy and fun. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more cool characters. See you guys next time. Bye.